So this has been a really fun purchase that I got. I actually got it to give as a gift to my sister, but it is a clear vase that's in the shape of a book, and it can go on a bookshelf in between books, and then you can just put flowers in it. And it's just really pretty, really cute. Add some greenery among your bookshelf. This one says The Art of Flowers, which I liked. There are different options for them to say different things, but this one was just really simple, and then has a little bit of a scalloped rim. So I love this. I think it's such a fun gift to give and such a creative idea. And it just, I don't know, it can just liven up your room, add some greenery, add some color to your library or wherever you keep your bookshelf. So I love this. It's a great gift idea and I would highly recommend it.